are watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, Jack Scalfani here, Cooking with Jack show. How you doing? Amish month was fun. I had a blast planning it, scheduling all the recipes and everything. But now we're back to just some random stuff, okay? Things I think that are cool. So, taking a look at this is like, it's a mixture of a lot of cool ingredients. It's called wet sauce. I thought it would be awesome. I don't normally eat this sauce, but it looks like something you guys might be interested in. So we're going to do it. So I have the original recipe down below. The only thing I'm taking out is the sesame seeds. The recipe asked for them, but I don't cook with sesame seeds. They get stuck inside of people. You go to the hospital for diverticulitis. They're really painful if they don't pass through. You can choose to use them. I don't use them. So we'll put that off to the side. Come on close. I will show you exactly what I'm using. So, original recipe is down below. So it says to use Korean pepper flakes, but it says you can also use the red pepper flakes. So I'm using those today. But once again, you can get everything on the recipe down below if you want to. We got ginger. These are either green onions or scallions, depending on how you were grown up speaking of these. I was told these are always scallions. You got, soy sauce. Then you got oyster sauce, sesame oil. So you will get the sesame flavor, even if you choose to not use the seeds. Rice vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, and I believe that's it. We're going to throw it all together, see if this wet sauce is worth ever making again or worth you guys trying it for the first time. Okay, guys, real simple sauce. We're doing in 2 steps. Put your red pepper flakes in. Put your scallions in, or onions, green onions. There we go. Put your ginger in. Now do me a favor. It doesn't have to be olive oil, just a neutral oil, but I chose olive oil. Heat this up in the microwave for about a minute or 2. Watch it carefully. You want to make it warm. Really, you want to make it hot. Then we're going to pour it on that, okay? So meet me right back here. I would start with a minute and see if that's good. Okay, guys, so 2 minutes was good for us, but your microwave could be completely different, so be careful, watch it carefully. All right, so take the oil, now that it's hot, pour it over the ginger, onions, and red pepper flakes. Oh, wow. Kind of sizzling. Stir that up. It smells good already. All right, hold on a minute. All right, and then take your rice wine vinegar, pour it in. Your oyster sauce. The rest doesn't matter the order. It's kind of thick. I'm going to mix that around. So we'll start diluting. Sesame oil. And your soy sauce. Give it a good mix. We're going to give this a few minutes to get all gelled together. Then we're going to give it a taste and see if it's any good. And so here's the game plan. We're going to try this out. If it's good, I'll find a future video. I'll save this, put it in a jar, put it in the fridge. I'll marinate with it, tell you how it does as a marinade, okay? Super easy to do, good flavors. So I hope it's good. I think it's going to be really hot. Just a guess, with 3 tablespoons of red pepper flakes. You know, in the original recipe, it asks for Korean flakes, which are a little bit hotter. All right, let's give this a try. Watch me break out in a cough, and we're going to end the show there. Yeah, it's spicy. Yeah, I gotta go get some water. It's really good, guys. Don't mind the tears. It's really good, though. All the flavors work good together. It's called wet, wet sauce. Okay? If you have an idea of what might be better, let me let me know. But in the meantime, I'm going to save this, marinate with it, maybe on chicken or something, and tell you how it is. All right? I love you guys. This is good. A little bit of spice. If you like spicy. If you don't, cut back on the red pepper flakes. All right? There you go. Okay, I got to go run to my mommy. I'll see you later.